Imagine waking up every morning in a home that's a true reflection of your style and taste. Luxurious details, a masterful design, a home that you're proud to call your own. Where you live should be a source of joy and pride. A place not only beautiful and functional, but also deeply personal. Not just a space, but a place for stories, for each other. Our team of designers and architects take the time to understand your vision and bring it to life with the utmost care and attention to detail. We hand select only the finest materials to create homes that stand the test of time. From grand entranceways to gourmet kitchens and spa-like bathrooms, every detail is thoughtfully considered to make your home truly exceptional. This is the Alpha Difference. This is Alpha Fine Homes by Neil Jawala.